Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz from 365 Act Tips and TonyTheTeacher.com. Today's tip, I want to talk about a piece of software by a company called Durkin Computing, Durkin, Durkin Computing. And I'm going to show you their website real quick. Durkin Computing makes all kinds of Act add-ons. And one of the add-ons that I'm going to talk about today is something called social networking. Social networking is a tool that I've been using for years, and the reason I started using it is because it allowed me to search for information based on the ACT contact. If you're a current ACT user, or if you've been using ACT for a while, you'll know that ACT has a tab called the Web Info tab, which does some of the same things as the Social Networking tab. But one of the reasons I like social networking so much is because of the fact that it was there first. It was available before ACT had their tool. And because of that, I've become accustomed to it. And I think there are some things it does better. For one thing, it allows you to break this screen out into a second monitor. That's one big thing. Another thing is I want you to notice right here when I click on this tab called the Home page, what it does is it will look up an ACT and it will look for the website of TonyTheTeacher.com. But if it doesn't see the website, what it will do is it will look at the email address and decipher the last part of the email address or my domain and assume that's the home page. So even if you don't have the web address of a contact in ACT, it will still find the home page or the website based on the email address. And most of you, I suspect, have at least the email address filled in, if not the web address. So social networking is a great tool that I've been using for many, many years, and you can really customize this to do a lot of things. In a nutshell, what social networking is doing is it's looking at the contact information up here, and in essence, it will Google what I tell it to Google. And there's some default settings. But for example, if I come down here and click on the Google tab, what it will do is it will Google my name and my location, and it will find information about me. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to drag this bar up just so you can see more information. But again, the tabs go across the screen, and that's one of the other things I like about it. So the social networking tool is fantastic because it finds great information out about people. You can look on LinkedIn, you can look up a company, you can check all kinds of different information. And in future tutorials, I'm going to get into that a little bit more. So again, social networking's been around a long time, and it's a great tool that's roughly about $20, and I can't recommend it enough. It does a couple things that Act's tool does not do, and that's why I think it's worth the approximately $20 that it costs. If you have any questions, never hesitate to reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to try to reach you or get back to you and let you know anything or answer any questions you might have. My name is Tony Holowitz, and please visit 365acttips.com. Thank you.